Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Efforts for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as gold, silver, copper, crude, US30, Bitcoin. So before we get into this analysis using Elliott wave theory, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to next our watch list. So I already reduced that AJ, CJ and NCAD. Now this is our watch list, new watch list from the past 2 weeks. So let's start from DXY. So the DXY target got achieved. So what is the next? Everybody's question and mine also, and that is why I just reading the chart from yesterday past 5 hours through all the charts, because this is only for the educational purposes and I'm doing it. And if you are following me from the past 3 years, most of the targets got achieved, but in Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar and Gbp Usd it is still hanging. So that means it's something else that market has to do. That means, see, our DXY target got reached above this one, 103.82. First target is 103 and our next target is 103.82. And as per that waves formation, and I keep saying that 108 to 110 is my target. So it is almost achieved. It's nearly 107 point. High was 107. Yeah, 107.78 is the high. And I explained the last week also, I'm looking for this triangle, or it could be an expanded flat, or it could be a running flat, and it is already did here. We are expecting for this kind of formation. It did here also, A, B, C, D, E. So here itself the triangle got over completed. So that means the formation what we expected is a little bit bigger, but almost it is the triangle, and it is completed that fifth way also in my view. Here, one second, I will explain that why I conclude this one, the conclusion, get the conclusion. So this fourth wave is got completed here. One second, I copy this, clone this, paste here. 4 is a triangle, so A, B, C, D, E, and fifth way is got also achieved, and this is the 5 is the beautiful 5-way structure. So 1, 1, 2, here 3 is a 2, so 3, 4 and 5 is already got completed. Here is a 1, right? 2, 3, 4 is a little bit triangle, and 5 is got already achieved. So this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4 and this is the 5. And in the daily chart, it is a perfect, it's looking like an hammer, it's a bearish hammer. And the one thing is the candle formation, and the next thing is the triangle, and after that 5 ways just got over. And if we the first wave and that fifth wave is equal in that category, that same length, it's to be placed here in the A, B, C, D, E here, and it already reached the same wavelength here. So the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 is a triangle, and the wave 5 also the same length it's got achieved, and it's ended with the 5-way structure. So the target is already got achieved here. So now what is that next? And I already informed this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, and it is already reached this. So this is the W, this is the X, A, B, C. So this is what my previous analysis. So that means still I'm looking for bullish after the conclusion of all the pairs, and I went through all the charts nearly the 5 to 6 hours, and then only I'm making this video. So what will be the next, how it is going to do? So here I did as a ABC is a A or W X ABCY and W X ABCZ. So this is my previous analysis, and now I'm looking for the chart. It is saying something else. See, it could be, this is a possibility what I'm talking. I'm not saying this is the one to happen. This is the one more possibility I'm looking for. So what is the possibility, right? So I will just screenshot this and I will explain in this. So this may or may not. So this is the one possibility I'm explaining. So don't fix to this analysis. So it may or may not. So what is that? So here we are taking this as a W, X, Y, X, A, B, C and Z, and this is the 5-way structure, and it is got completed here. That is the one. So the next one is, one second, here I'm just making the screenshot and I will explain here. So this is the A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that means this is the W. After that, this is the one, is a 5-way structure A. So we can make it this as a A, B and C. So that means this is the intermediate wave B, and I'm looking for this shortfall, this kind of wave formation here, so that we can make it this as a blue, and this could be the X. Later onwards I'm expecting one more A, B and C, or this could be a W, X, A, B, C, and this is the Y I'm expecting. Sorry, one second. I don't know what is happening here. One second. Yeah. So this kind of wave formation I'm looking for. So then this will become the correction part. So ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C 5-way structure is a W, and this is the X, ABC. So we have to work for this. So that means this could be this kind of channeling I'm expecting. I think this is my destination point as of now. So we have to work for this. So according to this DXY, so we will move on to this Euro USD. So in that case, see, in Euro USD, I'm looking for that positional wave count. So the positional wave count, after once it finished, and I'm looking for this kind of bullish, but I'm now, the structure says remains still we are in that bearish, but for the shorter term, maybe, see, this kind of wave formation happens nearly for the 1 year, I think so, right? From December 16th to 18th. So this will took another 1 year to 1.5 years also, but not sure, because this is the A, means A, B, C. That C will be a very fast. So either it could be a running a flat. I'm expecting this kind of running flat here. So this is the W, this is the X. As for this is the A, B, C, B and C. So within a year also, this is a weekly chart. So mind this is a weekly chart. So it will took more than a year, maybe the next year up to 2023. DXY may suffer, or it could be reaching the 6 months also, but that is not an issue. But I'm looking for this kind of bullish for the shorter term, and it could reach up to 1.8. and I'm expecting next one is this one. So the target, we can make it fixed for this is the target within this. So once it reached here, the completion of the three-way structure 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. After the completion of this connecting wave, so we are still in the connecting wave, and I'm expecting this one. So this will took nearly another 2 years. So the path is I fixed, and I'm looking for this kind of wave formation. So once this got completed, and I'm looking for that bullish. So what will be the in this next step? And as of now, I'm looking this as a triangle. The triangle is got completed, and after this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this could be the end of the trend, or there is a still one more wave pending, and it will took again all the stop loss. It could be, or it may be. I hope everything. I think so. This is a possibility, but I'm looking only for buy there hereafter. I'm looking only for the buy. So why? And I already explained my wave count. This is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and here it's a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So this is the bigger one, this is the bigger 2, this is the bigger 3, 4, and 5. So this is the one master 1 and master 2 and master 3, and this is the master 4 and 1 5. So everything it's got completed. So this five-way structure I'm looking here. So this is the one possibility only I am talking about that, but I will work on this one. So don't follow me blindly if you are not an Elliott wave trader, and if you are not understanding what I'm trying to explain, please skip my videos. So shorter term is bullish in Euro USD, and shorter term DXY is has to suffer, going to suffer, or going to see whatever that words you can use. So how will be in GBP USD? So GBP USD, our positional target is yet to achieve, but before that I already explained in this my video of the positional target of 2022, my new year gift. So I'm expecting this is the triangle, and we expected in that Euro USD triangle, and it is already dead. Now this could be the triangle because not yet broken this low. So here is the A, B, C, D, and if Euro USD is going to be to reach that 1.8, this could reach up to the 1.34. So still this is the 1200 points here to 1200 pips, and still there is a 1600 pips. So from here also it can make a three-way structure, so it will be a little bit lazy. Here it's a little bit slow also, may or may not, and it can again getting rejected in this channel also, bearish trend line, or it can break this, how that in Euro USD did like that. One second, I will explain that also. Here this trend line is got broken, this bearish trend line, and later on what happened, it came down. So like that, this could be the fake breakout, what we call that trader, and I won't tell that as a fake. So this is all that to trap all the retailers into the buy. So this kind of price action also, or structure also, can happen in that GBP here. So it can travel, but this is the stop loss. We have A, B, C, D, and we are looking only for the E for the triangle, and one more low is also possible. So this is my conclusion. Euro USD got one more low. GBP USD is also got one more low, and Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, we will see how it is going to do. USD, Australian dollar is not yet broken the lows as of now, the GBP USD. So sorry, so here I expected this one. So how it will be? So this is the stop loss for this trading, but in Euro USD it is going to be 8,200 to 1,000, yeah, somewhere 1,400 pips, and the GBP is 1,200 pips. So here in the Australian dollar we may expect for the 900 to 1,000 pips. It's a little bit slow moving, may or may not. And in the shorter time frame, so this could be a triangle also if you accept it. So A, B, C, D, E, and after that I'm looking for the triangle, or this could be the X. So this could be the A, and beyond the B wave and the C wave is yet to make. So whether this two wave is also the two possibilities, whether this could be a running flat or it could be a running triangle, still it is there. And what happens means it need to break this one, that is my positional target. So if you look into that daily chart, look at this. Somewhat here the 5-way structure is got completed, or somewhat it's looking like a 3-way structure is got completed. So this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and here I already explained a lot of see 1 2 3, and this could be the 4, this could be the 5, I have already explained. So this could be the another connecting wave, and there is a 1, and then I'm expecting for that here, one second, yeah, I expecting like this. So whether this is going to happen or what else, I will explain here. And if you looking in that chart pattern, you may find it's a beautiful wedge formation. Look at this, and here also that beautiful wedge formation. So either this is the A, this is the B, it's a C is a 1, right? This is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, and this is the 5. So this is also the possible. So in that case, if this is a B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the wedge formation is got completed. So this could be the 3-way structure, and this is also the 3-way structure, and here also the 3-way structure, and here also the 3-way structure. So still we are in the bigger picture in the downtrend as a 3-way structure. So either if you look in the weekly chart, this is the structure we are getting. So here is a bigger 3-way structure. So this is the W. So why X can be a triangle, another 3-way structure, and looking for that below ABC. Or what else can happen means somewhat this can do like this, another 3-way structures to the downside, and one more 3-way structure is also possible. But anyway, and this is the stop loss I'm looking for, and one more low is possible. But mind this, either Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar is so bullish against the DXY than Euro USD and GBP USD, we may get this kind of wave formation also in the other wave. Look at this. So this 786 where we are, this is the one we are looking for. So this is also possible. I'm not looking this, but also the one chance possible is there. So that means ABC is A. This whole thing will become a expanded running flat. Sorry, expanded flat. I'm very sorry. So this is the A, this is the B, A, B, C. So the whole thing will become an expanded flat correction, and later onwards I am looking for that bigger picture. So this is the one in my mind I'm looking for all the three patterns. So how we have to work? So I'm looking for buy, so we have to wait for this, right? So here also it is looking like the major support zone here, and if you're looking for that New Zealand USD also, it's a major support zone here. So what we call some lot of, we know is the head is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and if it breaks the neck, and it will reach the same kind of wavelength here, and that is also the next resistance zone is 9. But whether this will possible or not, I am not looking for that, but there is a chances. So here also it is a beautiful wedge formation in this. So looking for either the three-way structure or this kind of bigger three-way structure here to break this, and this will become the expanded flat, and this will become ABC is a W, and we are looking for that 1 2 3. So anyway, that trend is in bearish, but the shorter time means could be it's a 6 months or 1 year. This is the one I'm looking for. Either this could be the triangle, running triangle, or this could be expanded flat. So, or this could be the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, and it can from here also it can break this low. So anyway, the shorter term I'm looking for buy, shorter term, right? So next is USD Cad. So after that, USD Cad, I don't know how it behaves. It's looking like bullish, but when the DXY is in that looking for that downside as a bearish. 1 second, USD Cad. Here is the positional wave count. I'm looking for like this, but I already informed that this is also the possible one here. So A, B, C is a W or A, or this could be the B, and C could be the five-way structure. So how it works in the daily? Let's wait. See, this is the previous one. I have explained the five-way structure, and 1 second, I will delete this. Yeah, now this is the one, it's a, this is the one, it's a B, and this is the one is C. So C, so far the wave 1 is completed. I am looking for the wave 2, making this as a stop loss. As I explained the last week, I am looking for this kind of five-way structure to complete this one, A, B, and C. So once this is got completed, whether it is going to again build for that A, B, C, or one more low and one more high is also possible. If this is the connecting wave, we are all in the connecting wave. If it is a bigger connecting wave, A, B, and C, so we can make it this as a W. This could be the connecting wave, and another one more A, B, C. But this is also possible, and this could be the W, this could be the X, and we are looking for the A, B, and C also possible. So you can making this kind of wave formation also. So either this is the one more low. If you are not understanding, you please just go through my that positional video part 1, and I already shared in that, I think in the December 25th or January. So you go through that video and you can understand this one. So one correction is got completed, whether it is going to be a double correction or it is going to be bullish from here, that we have to watch. So next is USD Jpy. So my target, I already explained that is a 148 and above, but this is the one I already explained this. This is the W, this could be the triangle, could be the X, and we are in the A wave. After the B wave, one more C wave is to pass the previous high. So that is the only one I'm having. In case if the intermediate wave, if we look at this one, we are in that 1-4 here, right? Between this 127 to 1414. So there is a lot of chances for making an irregular flat. So then this will be the connecting wave. So that means I will show you in USD Jpy in this one. Yeah, this is the one. Look at this. I already explained that. Look at this. I already explained whether this is the one. I already did. Whether this is a A or B. One second. I will delete this one. And this is also, yeah. Here I mentioned this. 1 or A or W. But the impulsive wave, this is the corrective part. It could be a triangle and C. But if we are looking for that C wave, here what we have to at least 786, right? So if this is a triangle, this is still in 618. It is not yet reached that 786, and there is a possibility, and it is already completed the 5-way structure here. And I already explained I am not in buy and I am not in sell. I am keep on looking for that trade, but I am not in sell side also. But after the conclusion of the Euro USD and Gbp USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and DXY has to go into the downwards. And why that all that money will flow from the dollar to equity markets or the any other else in the commodity markets? Sorry. So in that wave, if you look at into this, either this is the A, so this is the B here, and if this is the C, so one more another A, B, C, like this kind of wave formation can happen here. So up to 100 and again 108 is also possible. It's looking like here. So 786, 116, and this is the wave 1. It's 110, the wavelength here. And if you look into USD Chef and USD Jpy, it's both are looking bearish. So in the previous video, I already told I'm not looking for a sell, I'm looking for the buy. But after this, that is why we are already keep on changing the views according to the structure. So here I'm looking for here one second. Yeah, this is somewhat I already explained. This is the wave 1. It could be wave 1, or this could be the wave 2, and this is the wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. It seems like that. So in that category, the wave 5 is already got completed. So either this is the A, this is the B and C, and I'm looking for one more A, B and C, or it could be the 5-way structure also to reach, not like this, it could be the 5-way structure. So these are all the patterns we are keep on watching here. So where we are getting this kind of patterns in the other pairs, look at this USD Cad. Yeah, one second. Yeah, look at this USD Cad. One second. What? Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so let's move on to the USD Cad. These are all the patterns here. 5 waves, 3 waves, again 5 waves. So this is the 3, this is the 3, and this is the 5. So that means is a flat correction here, and I have explained this. So A, B, C is a A, B, C is a B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the same happen in this kind of formation here. So this 5-way structure is a B and C, and we are in the wave 1. The same kind of formation we are looking in the USD Jpy in the bigger picture. Here in the bigger picture, right? This is the one A, this is the B and C, and it is already past 1272, and between that 1272 and 1414. After this I'm expecting this. See, I'm just expecting. Look at this word, you have to understand. So I'm not in this, but I'm looking for now in sell. So I'm looking for that sell pattern, but we need to make a stop loss. But stop loss could be not here in the high, because one more, if it is in a shorter time frame, that is a one more high is also possible, and it may hit your stop loss, and again it can come to the downside. But if you allow one more way to the downside, then if it is going to the pullback, and you can make this as a stop loss. If you make the stop loss here and it will hit, and then again it is coming to the downside, and again it can make. See, these are all a lot of patterns and lot of wave formation we can expect here. So mind this, here is a one more wedge formation, it's happening. So wait for this to complete and to drop. So if it is crossing this and closing below this in the shorter time frame, in the 4-hour or in the daily, you can make this as a stop loss. But the stop loss, because we are looking for only to the sell now. So this is the one, and USD Chef also what we are looking for, and I already informed that this is the one ABCA. So this could be a bigger picture, the weekly chart where we are, and I already explained that in my video, the positional video. So 1 2 3, and we are in the fourth wave. So in that fourth wave, this could be the A, this could be the B, C, and we are in the D wave. So in that view of D wave, it is we are in the connecting wave, and after that I'm looking for that sell. So why? Euro USD, GBP, AU, NU, and dollar has to going to suffer, means in all the pair dollar is going to suffer. So USD Chef, USD Jpy, yeah, it could be right. So according to this, you have to make this as a stop loss and looking for that sell to the target of 93 to 9095. Here is my target. So A, B, C, D and E, or it could be again one more wave downside, and one more high is also possible in that WXY, like that. So shorter term I'm looking for sell. So shorter term means it's a weekly chart, right? So still again 1 2 3 4, so the correction pattern, it took more time. So either the next 2 to 3 months I'm looking for sell, not for buy. So once it reached this zone, I don't know, see if I can make it for the 3 months or 6 months. It could be any news it's coming, or it could be reached within that week also. But what we are looking for, so A, B, C, D and E. So either this could be WX and WXY, like that it can go, or it is going to a bigger triangle in the fourth wave, and it is keep going for the downside. It's possible. Yeah, we have to look for this. So USD Jpy, USD Chef, I'm looking for shorter term sell. So Euro USD, everything I'm looking for buy. So I think you can understand what I'm trying to explain here in the detail. So this is a very important video for you all, and we will look for that next currency is Euro New Zealand. So in that Euro New Zealand, what I explained the previous is I'm looking for buy right here, and I'm not in sell because my target is nearly 1.52, and that wave pattern is not yet completed here. So I thought this is a WX, and looking for A and B and C is to the downside, but And I explained the last video also, looking for this kind of expanded triangle also possible. So I'm not looking for sell here, and I'm not looking for the buy also here, but this is the one. It confirmed me it could be that running flat, and one more high is also possible. Whether it is going to break this high or may not, we have to look for that, because if this is the A, B, C is a W, or this is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in that, this is the three-way structure, and it is not looking like three-way structure, and I already explained that. So 1, 2, 3, and this is not looking for that 4 and 5. So in that case, if it could be that diagonal pattern 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4 and this is the 5, means if this is the five-way structure, and if you looking for this A right here, the five-way structure is got completed, and this could be the three-way structure, and it is still there. So whether this is the starting of the five-way impulsive way to the downside, and we are on the wave 2 making this as a stop loss, we can look for the downtrend. But in Euro USD and the New Zealand dollar, it is going to everything upside. So this is the one we have to look for, and that both the currencies is in that in the bullish mode. So we don't know how it is going to react here. So it may be a little bit slow, and later onwards it can say same pattern. So the pattern what we are expecting is only that expanded triangle, or it could be within, it can get rejected within this zone, and it is not yet to break this one. So after this, I'm looking for that downtrend. So we have to yet to complete this pattern in Euro New Zealand. So let's move on to next is US30. 1 second, you can here also. So US30, 1 second, yeah. See, and here also a lot, after a lot of for me it's a confusion. So somewhat here it is looking like the five-way structure is also got completed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. So after this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after this is the 4, and this is the five-way structure. So somewhat here I'm looking for buy. So how I'm looking for, it can be a WXY, but somewhat if you look at in the bigger picture, and it is seems like the five-way structure. I will explain here the five-way structure. Once again, be patient. Yeah, here it's a 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this could be that. One second. Yeah, and this is the 2. Later onwards, this could be the 3, this could be the 4, this could be the 5. So this is in the wedge formation, and we are exactly getting rejected in this zone. So what I thought in the previous, it could be one more low also, I have explained. So this is also possible, or what it will do is from here after this, if breaking this low, and from here also it can bounce. So why this is a wave 1, wave 2 is an expanded leading diagonal, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. So five-way structure is completed, and this is the one in the bearish. So after this, I'm looking for that three-way structure. So that could be the wave A or 1, and this could be the wave 2 also, or B. And one more low is also possible, as I informed that in S&P 500 as well as in Nifty. So US30, I'm looking for that bigger picture in that 40,000, but that is in that wave 3. I have already here did in the previous weekly chart. So this is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, like that, and I'm looking for this as a S&P 500 here. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and this is the bigger one, this is the bigger 2, bigger 3, and we are on the bigger 4, and it will take more than a year also to complete this. So this is the wave I'm looking for. and look at this in the S&P 500 and observe this. This is the one, it's a resistant, and this is the one resistant, and now it is taking this as a support. So once the 5-way structure is got completed, or this could be the WXY is got completed, so the wave 4 cannot be a little bit like very small. So this, it could be a running flat or running triangle. So what is meant by that running flat or running triangle? This could again break the previous high, and one more like this. This could be a running flat, or it could be this running triangle. So this kind of running triangle, and from here it can go. So A, B, C, D, E, and it can go above the high. So this could be the wave 4. So either this could be a running flat, or it could be a running triangle, or there is no compulsory to break the high. So this could be like this also. It's a regular triangle also. And here one thing you need to look, we can make it this as a B, C is a W, X and Y also. If it is making one more low, so that could be we have to make the conclusion it's a ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is a W, X, A and B and C. So if it breaks this low again, that will be that again WXYZ formation, and it is not yet breaking this low, and again it is going to be a bullish for the shorter term, and this will become 1 2 3 4 5, and we are in that. It can change anything, right? Because this is a 5-way structure, means we can mostly expect it that running triangle, because this 5-way structure, once the 3-way structure is going above the high, that will be a B, and see this kind of wave formation we can expect, and it is already did in the USD Cad. I have shown you. So, and that happened in the crude also. I will show that. Sorry. So these are all that one I'm expecting. So shorter term bullish in the equity market I'm looking for. So I don't know how it is going to move, because dollar it is going to suffer, means equity market, and gold is the money flow from the dollar to equity as well as commodities. That is why I'm looking for. So previous because of the Russian and Ukraine war, equity suffered, gold has went high. Like that, that is a contra, right? So equity market, from the equity the market and is going to the safer currencies or commodities for the like gold, it's a yellow metal. So here this is the dollar, because of the dollar weakness, money is going to flow in that equity as well as in commodity also. So this kind of correlation to understand is little bit question mark only. So sometimes it is moving contra and the equity market and the gold, and sometimes it will move same direction, in the same direction. So sometimes it won't correlate. So you have to understand, right? So what is next? Let's see. 1 second, we will close this. Yeah, and Bitcoin, right? So BTC, it is in bearish, same pattern I'm expecting. So looking for this kind of structure and go for sell. That's it. But I'm not trading this, and it is not yet broken this low. So somewhat it's looking, and I already last week also I explained this. This is the equal length, and it is looking for somewhat 1 2 3 4 and 5 is got completed. One more low is also possible to the 12,000, or it could reach up to the 10,000 also possible. But if this is the one, ABC is a ABC is a B, and ABC is a C, means if this is the W, this is the X, right? So again this could be the A, and we are looking for the B. It can be a bigger also. We didn't expect that also. After this, and again one more C is also is possible, but this is the connecting wave. Like, look at, for this is the connecting wave, and one 5-way structure it is going to complete, or this is the W, this is the X, A, B and C. This is a completion of the domains. We can expect the bullish up to 55 also. So this is little bit confusion for me, but the target, the destination is I'm looking for nearly 10,000 here. This is the one I'm looking for. So wait for this, or this could be the 1, this could be the 2, this could be the 3, and another 4 and 5. It can reach up to the 3,000. May happen, but it's not yet ready for that bullish momentum. And lot of times, and I already shown that in that fourth wave it is making a lot of beautiful triangle also, but it is, see, look at this, in the shorter time frame it is already past the previous high. So now it is going to make another to the drop, or it could be another ABC is a ABC is a B, and ABC is a C. So somewhat one correction is got completed here, and later onwards we are expecting to the downside, market will shoot like this. So then what I have explained this, see, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So again 1 2 3 4, I'm looking for the fifth way. So we don't know, and here need to be very precautious. Like here, look at this 786, we are getting struggling here. So it is already dead. So it can make up to the below also, for the below 13,000 also, or it can make like this and one more down also. If it is a W, this is a X, and this could be the Y, and again X, A, B, C is to the Z. And if you're looking for that daily or weekly chart, it will be simply the 5-way structure. So let's move on to the copper. Look at the target got achieved. Target got achieved. What I explained here. So if the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar and gold, everything, it is going to be a bullish. So in this copper also we can look for that. So here it's a 1, A, B, C is a B, C is a B, and C is got completed. It's looking like the 5-way structure is got completed here. One, it's a beautiful without pullback. And every time, see, last week also I'm expecting from here, and last before week, and last week also I'm expecting here, but expecting this pullback, I'm not in the buy side, and I'm not trading this copper, but just for explanation. But what is the target I given? Z 3.6, it can reach up to 3.6. It's already did. 3.2 also it already did. So one 3-way structure is got completed. Either this is a 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the bigger 5 also. It can be a leading diagonal. So in that category we are expecting for correction. And if the fourth way is got completed here, the fifth way always may be a little bit very small also in that category. And what we are did is here is A, B, and C. So this could be A, B, C is a W also, this could be the X also, this could be the A also, and one more B and C can break above the high also. We can make it as anything. But what we are looking for the shorter term, correction. That's it. So correction means you need to place a stop loss, and you need to be in against the trend, against the trend. The trend is in the downtrend. So whether it is the 5-way structure, means we are looking for the 3-way structure. So looking for the shorter term only. So that if you need to trade this one, you need to be in a shorter trader. It's not for the long term investment. It's not what you place this trade, set and forget. It's not like that. You need to look for all that patterns here, because it's not impulsive. It can make a lot of corrections, double corrections, triple corrections, running flat, exponential flat, everything. So trading here, it's very difficult. So we expected from here, right? It's a downtrend. It's already did. Now what I'm expecting, it's a little bit upper trend to reach around nearly 4. So we have to wait for this to trade. It's not blindly what we are expecting. So from here I'm expecting the correction. So for the shorter term, you have to be in the buy side. That's it. So what is next? We are going to US oil. So this is a beautiful trade setup. Like last, look at for this. This is the one, right? 1 2 3 4 5 way, and I'm looking for the B way, and it is already did. here the another 5-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5, it's already did here. So this is the one as a connecting wave. So 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 2 3, the 3-way structure is got completed. Now what we can expect, another 3-way structure. So here it is not yet broken this low and it is not yet broken the high. So whether what it is happening here, so we can do it A B C. Previous what I did, this could be a W, this could be the X, so A B C to break this, but it is not happening like that. So that means this is A B and C. So A B and C, and it is not yet broken, so this is not a Y-wave. So we have to work on that. Means this could be the W X. So A B C Y means that is the end of the trend, but here it's already did A B and C. So in the 3-way structure, that means something, whether this is making a triangle or this could be the ABC and it is not yet broken this low, means this could be the bigger correction also. So then this is the connecting wave. Another one more ABC has to break above this high, not that high, not this, not this high. Later onwards I'm expecting for the another bigger 3-way structure. Otherwise, if it is again getting struggling to break this low high here, so again one more 3-way structure from here, it can break the high, and I already explained this. So where we are, this is if it is a triangle, and I already explained this 1 2 3, and this could be the 4 and 5 also, may or may not. So everything, this is a little bit confusion. And if you look for this is the A B, and if you look at this is a A sorry, and B is an irregular flat formation, so the C is got completed in that. So if it is making a triangle, where it has to making a triangle in the X wave, so that means once again, yeah, that means if this is a W, so it won't break this. So A B C D E, and we can expect from here the downtrend. So this X wave may be a triangle. So what we have to do from here, this is the W, A B C D E, and it is the X, and again one more A B C. So how we are looking for that USD Cad? USD Cad, we are looking for that beautiful trend, and as I expected, look at this 1 2 3, and I'm expecting one more 2 3 also, right? So either this could be a running flat or this could be expanded flat. It's possible. From here it can do like this also, I have explained. So now it is already broken the previous high, so I'm looking for that running flat or expanded flat. After this we are looking for one more high, so to reach that 1.34 and 1.38 in that. So if you are looking for that US oil, so why not this is also possible. So it is making a triangle in the X wave, or this is a B, C is a and B is could be a triangle, and C way to the downside is also possible to the target of 70 and below. So this is what how I am looking the market. So the next one we are going for copper, crude, silver. Yeah, next silver, we can move for silver, and finally with the silver, right? And this is the one ABC. Look at this, look at this, and this is my positional wave count. That is why I need to show here. And usually we are looking for this kind of silver, and last week I have explained. So this could be a triangle, and one more low is also possible, and it's already did here. So whether this is a ABC, and it is clearly seeing 1 2 3 4 5. It's clearly seen, so no need to force the chart. So the one confusion here is whether this is the A, right? So this is a ABC is a B, and ABC is a C. One more correction is got completed, or this is the one, the 5-way structure, and this is the one ABC. So in any way, and I'm looking for that bullish for the shorter term. So either this again going to reach that 27 possible. In that case, how will be the gold? So every time, see, one correction is got completed, and in the positional chart, look at this positional, yeah, sorry, this is the one. In the positional chart, we are targeting for this 19, and it is already reached now. So whether this could be the A or X. So where it comes from the X here. So here is a B, and C. It's a W or A. Here it's already been ABC is a ABC is a B. So this is the W. And whether this is the A, B, and C. So this could be the X, and one more A, B, and C. I'm looking for that Y wave to break this. So that is why I have already did here. So either this is a A, this is the B, C is a 1. Later onwards, I'm looking for the 2, 3, 4, and 5 like this. Or this is a ABC is a W, and we can make it this as a X, and another one more A, B, and C. It's possible, but always we need to keep the stop loss here. If you are looking for sell, making this as a stop loss. If it reached here, making this as a stop loss, because if whether the 5-way structure is already got completed here, or this is the A and we are in that irregular flat formation, it means this is the beautiful stop loss to place into for the sell trade setup. So allow this and shorter term bullish, allow this to find the pattern, to make a structure in the market. Later onwards, we can look for that. If it is a 3-way structure, make this as a stop loss and looking for the bigger C wave. So, or if you are to come to the conclusion and it is making only 3-way structure, make this as a stop loss, because 1 2 3 4 5 means the wave 1. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the wave 1. Wave 2 cannot overlap above this wave 1. So making this as a stop loss and trade for the third wave, for the C wave. And in the C wave, if it is a third wave, it's a very fast. So this is the one I'm looking. And if this is the 5-way structure and this is the completion of the trend, means this can trade go above this also. So that is why I need to place a stop loss. If you need not to trade, and if you are an investor, partial buy here and partial buy if it reached here. Just keep that in buy and just hold for another 2 to 3 years or 5 years. It has to break this high. We don't know when it is going to break, but definitely it will break, and you will make more money than in gold, because gold, it is not yet broken the high, and it is in still 50% only in the silver. It made a high, but gold, it is already in the high. So look at this. Gold, it is little bit high only, but silver, where we are in only half a way, still half a way to move. So it is going to reach above 50. But before that, this is the one what we are looking for. Possibilities. It can break this low also, and later onwards it can bounce, and it will shoot to the moon. So let's wait for this kind of pattern and structure to complete. So let's move on to gold. And gold in the shorter time frame. See, this is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4, and 5. This got completed. So Here if everything it's looking like ABC1, ABC is 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5. So this is the 5-way structure is got completed in my view in the leading diagonal or like that. So we can expect at least 50% in the move from here. So what is the 15%? 1900. So where is the 1900 here? Perfect, the resistance zone. So after the 5-way structure, if it is a sorry, if it is a zigzag, we can expect 38.2. So where it is 38.2? 1800, 1875. Go for that. So 3-way structure I am expecting, and it could be a 3-way structure in that 1800, or it could be 1900, or it could be 1960, or it could be 2000, because this is a wave 1 and we are on the wave 2. So wave 2 reach up to, example, in Euro USD. Lot of peoples, right? Lot of peoples. From here, how many of them, right? I explained exactly. This is the one, the stop where it reached nearly 90 and above in the wave 1. 5-way structure in the leading diagonal. That same pattern happened in the gold here. So why can't it can reach up to here? So let's wait to allow the 3-way structure. And one thing I need to give an input here. It's a beautiful in that one second. The wave structure in the weekly or monthly. Look at this chart and observe this chart, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, this is not a wave count. I'm talking about the swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is breaking. It's making a higher high, right? And here it is not yet did the high. That same chart, if you are a good trader and if you are following me, the same kind of pattern occurred in one currency. It's not the currencies, that is a cryptocurrency. What is that? Which currency is that? It's a Bitcoin. Same formation. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after the 5 waves, where it is? 67, right? 69. Now 17. Nearly 25%, only 75% is already gone. So this same structure, look at this same structure in the gold. So why not I'm looking for that 1200 or 1375, 1400? So in Bitcoin, where we are almost in the wave 1. So whether it is going to reach this one, at least we can expect here. It's not like a Bitcoin, right? Gold. So my target is achievable. So looking for this, making this as a stop loss, looking for the target of 1300. So in that case, if gold it is going to the downside, so what about the dollar equity? That is a question mark. So that we will see later onwards. If you look all the dump in your mind, everything it is not correlating, leave that. Just keep on watching. That's the thing. So hope you enjoyed, and this video maybe again, yeah, it's again one hour. I decided to make it the 45 minutes because we already skipped the 3 currencies, but even though it is already taken more than 1 hour. So because I have explained all the positional target and how I am looking for. So this may help you a lot in your learning journey. So hope you enjoyed, and I already did in my busy schedule. It's a Sunday morning, so I'm going to go. So have a nice Sunday to everybody, and make the start a week as a good profitable week to everybody. So thanks a lot, and we will see you in that. If I found a time, I will make a video on next week, and I have a plan to going out of station, so may or may not, it depends upon my schedule. So we can see you otherwise in the after the 15 days. So have a nice wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye, see you.